Oh boy. Are we ready?
Yes.
I don't know what's gonna be in these.
Well, I had no idea either, but I think I have an idea.
Okay, pick.
So we used to always do the first, but we haven't done the first at all yet. So we're doing the first today.
We didn't? I thought we did the first ones.
No.
Okay. Here we go. Hi, Alfie. Breathe, cube.
Breathe.
And
Who is it?
ooh, an uncommon. Look, ooh, she's cool. See, I don't remember what they look like. I like that.
I remember her.
Okay, we're moving up in the world from commons to uncommons. Now, wait, which commons? We still need Man-at-Arms and Panther, right? We have two. Okay. All right, moving up in the world. Cool. Skin is called Mini Comic. That's the way they named this one. Awesome. Let's take a quick look back here. Okay. Look at this collection. Look at that. Boom. Growing, growing, growing. There's a lot of them going. Excellent.
Even from wave 1, wave 2, and these guys.
Yeah. Right. 3 He-Man, Masters of the Universe waves, and the ZooFO guys. Look at these adorable little guys.
Comet Juno.
Now, do we have...
Wait, we don't have...
Oh, we do. We have a common Alfie. And a common Comet.
have all the commons.
And we have a common Juno. Okay, cool.
Yeah, we did not get a lot of those, I feel like. We did not get...
No, because I had some leftover... They had a thing where they gave me some cubes because they owed me some stuff. It's a long story, but we only got a few of those. But we can get more soon. All right. Well, there we go. It's a little quick look at our backpack and who we got today. And let's see. I can't wait till we can mix universes because I think... Look at this little baby cute Cringer and Comet and Juno all playing together would be great.
Yeah.
If we could mix those. That would be fun. I wonder what Juno would think if they met Orko from Masters of the Universe.
Yeah. I feel like I wish you could combine them.
That's what I mean. Maybe make them go together?
Yeah.
Hang out together?
No, combined what they look like.
Oh, yeah, like a merge. That would be cool.
I would use probably Comet and He-Man.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Oh, actually,
all right.
Comet and Princess Adam, because they're both commons.
Oh, true. Okay. Interesting. All right. We'll be back with more.